In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a Microsoft Loop account. If you've tried Loop and decided it's not for you, or you just want to clean up old accounts you're no longer using, I'll walk you through the process step by step. We'll go slowly so you understand not just what to click, but what each choice actually means for your data and access. First, it's important to know that Microsoft Loop is tied to your main Microsoft account. You don't delete Loop separately the way you might uninstall an app. Instead, you manage it through your overall Microsoft account settings. So when you follow these steps, you're dealing with your broader Microsoft identity, which can also affect services like Outlook, OneDrive, and others linked to that same account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account website. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for Loop. If you have multiple accounts, take an extra moment to double check that you're signed in with the right one, because the changes you're about to make will apply only to the account that's currently signed in. Once you're in your account dashboard, look for your account settings. This is usually labeled as something like your info, account, or account settings, depending on the current layout of the site. From there, you'll want to locate any section related to security, privacy, or account management. If you aren't seeing what you need, scroll to the bottom of the page and look for a link to Microsoft support or help. That support area can also guide you back to the correct account management page if the layout has changed. Within your account settings or support pages, you're looking specifically for the option to close your account. Microsoft often labels this as close your account or close account. When you find that, go ahead and select it. This is the main control for beginning the deletion process. As soon as you choose the close account option, Microsoft will present you with information about what closing your account actually does. This is a crucial part of the process. Here, you should carefully review the details about what will happen to your data, access to services, subscriptions, and any content stored under that account. This is where they explain the effects of closing your account, including what you might lose and what, if anything, you should download or back up beforehand. Take your time reading through each point. Microsoft will typically ask you to check boxes or acknowledge that you understand these consequences. Only continue once you're confident you've reviewed everything and you're comfortable with what will be removed or disabled. This is your chance to avoid unpleasant surprises later, like losing access to stored files or connected services. After you've confirmed that you understand the impact, follow the prompts on screen to complete the deletion process. These prompts might include confirming your identity, re-entering your password, or verifying with a code sent to your email or phone. Carefully complete each step as it appears. When you reach the final confirmation, you'll usually need to click a button to finalize the closure request. Once that's done, your request to delete the account associated with Microsoft Loop